Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see Class 4 English, chapter number 6, Braille, and this is the part 2 video. So, part 1 video is already completed. If you missed to watch the part 1 video, please watch it, then only you will understand the entire lesson. Okay, so now we will directly go to the grammar part which we left. So, question and answer is already completed in part 1 video, students. So, watch the part 1 video. Okay, and another important thing is I have started taking tuition from timing is 6 to 4 to 6 p.m. So those who are interested in joining the tuition, you can message me to 74186 19174. You can WhatsApp me. I'll give you additional details. So for tuition students, I'll be providing exam worksheet, weekly revision test will be there, grammar question paper will be shared for English, Maths and EVS, and worksheets for Hindi will also be provided. For fees for class 4 is rupees 600 rupees monthly. Okay, or if you need only worksheet for practice is rupees 119. You can join the channel. What you have to do is you have to join the channel by clicking the link in the description box. It will take you to join option. Select class 1 to 8 worksheet and click join. So this is monthly 119. I'll be sending exam worksheets for practice. Okay, now we will go to lesson. So let us write. Write these words in using the Braille's alphabet. You can paste blinds or one is done for you. Okay, so cat, C-A-T, they have already written. So next we have man. So we will go to Braille's alphabet here for M. So where is M? So where M, this is Braille's alphabet M. So we will complete M now. So M. Okay. And A is only one dot. And next N. So where is N? So N is here. So this is N. Okay. Next we have boy. So boy, what we have to do? We have to check the Braille's alphabet for B. So this is B, two dots. So B, and for O. So where is O here? So O is here. So 1, 2, 3. 3 dots for O. And for Y. Where is Y? So Y is here. So other than this dot, all dots are there in Y. So we have to leave only this dot. So 1, we have to put all the dots. Okay. Next we have jug, J-U-G. So we will check for J. So where is J? So we have J here. So this is J. And we have U. Where is U? So this is U. And last one is G. This is not your exam question, students, just an activity, okay? So where is G? G is here. Okay. Next, write your name in Braille's. Okay, now you have to write your name, students. We have already completed few words, right? So write your name in this blank space. So next, Louis Braille lost his eyesight in an accident. Yes, we already know that he lost his eyesight while playing with a sharp tool. So let's see, some time ago, a newspaper reported the child lost one eye while lighting the firecrackers. So students, this is very very important. You should be very very careful while using any objects or playing or using crackers. Always please do this with help of your parents. Okay, Diwali is going to be very near, so I want everyone to be very very careful. Okay, so next, list the precautions that should be taken to protect eyes from harm. So what are the precautions you have to take? The first thing is, first you should always be near to your parents. Don't go anywhere, and you should not play with any sharp objects or tools. Okay, we should wear protective glasses when working with chemicals, machines, or near firecrackers. I'll write one by one. If you want, you can make a note of this also. Take pencil, you can note it down. I'll write in an empty paper. I'll give you the answer one by one. Okay. Okay, first one. We should not play with sharp objects, okay, or tools. Next, we should wear protective glasses when working with chemicals, machines, or near firecrackers. Okay. Next, we should stay safe. We should stay at a safe distance while watching fireworks or lighting. Also you can writing firecrackers. Next one, we can write, yes, we should not rub our eyes with dirty hands. Very important. You should always wash with clean water, or else you inform your parents, they will take care. Okay. Next, we should avoid staring directly at the sun. You should not do that, or bright light. That will also affect your eyesight. Okay. Next one, we should always follow safety instructions when using any kind of electrical or mechanical devices. Okay, if you ask me, I will advise not to touch those things with the help without knowing your parents. Always your parents should be there. Okay, we should keep harmful liquids and sprays away from our face. Finally, we should visit an eye doctor regularly for our eye checkup. Okay, these are few points you can write, students. This question will come in 5-mark question. In case if they are giving test in individual lessons, they'll be asking these questions. Okay, you can pause the video, or those who are coming for tuition, I'll give you this worksheet for practice. Okay, next, read the following sentence and notice the underlined word. So we have underlined words here. Let's see one by one. Long ago in France, a little boy named Louis Braille was playing near his house. The cats were sleeping when I reached home. Samir was playing hopscotch last evening. So if you see, all the sentence were past tense, it was already happened. Okay, so what they have used? They used a past tense words along with action words ing. For example, the student was writing. So was is the past tense with an action ing. Okay, again if you see, if the example sentence about one person, animal or a bird, we use were. Okay, if you have more than one person, we use were, but if you have only one person or animal or a bird, you use was. For example, look at the first sentence. We have only one person, Louis Braille, so they used was. But in the second sentence, we have cats. So there are more than one cat, so where were used. Samir is one person, so was used. And again here the student is one person, was used. And in this students, then where is used. Okay. So like this we have given with past tense, sorry, they have given with present, and we need to find out the past tense. Important question, students, very very important for your exam. This question will come for sure in your exam, grammar part. Okay, I will write the answer one by one. I'm going to type it over. First, they have already given I am sleeping, I was sleeping in the past. So, past tense is I was sleeping. Next, the dogs are barking at the stranger. So, again, dogs is plural form. Then we should use where. Okay. So, then you have to frame the sentence. The dogs were barking at the strangers. Okay. Next, grandfather is searching for his spectacles. So, grandfather, a single person, so we have to use was. So, grandfather is searching will be grandfather was searching. So, grandfather was searching for his spectacles. Next, Sheba is writing a letter. So, Sheba, single person. So, was will come. Okay, Sheba was writing a letter. Next, E is singing a song. E is singing a song. So, E only one person. So, E was singing a song. Okay. Next, we are playing Coco. We are playing Coco. What will come? We were playing with Coco. So, we were playing Coco. Next, the man is using his hands to push his wheelchair. So, man, a single person. So, the man was using. So, the man was using his hands to push his wheelchair. Clear, students? So, very, very important for your exam. Okay. Next, look at the picture and create a story. So, these type of questions, creative writing. Okay. So, here, now fill in the blanks with suitable option. Was clapping, was scattering, were sitting, was hanging, was entering, was feeding. So, we have to fill in the blanks here. Okay. So, my friend Ternap Tarandip. Okay, my friend Tarandip told me an interesting thing yesterday. She dash her friends and squirrels. So first one, she dash her friends. So the answer is the She was dash her friends. She was feeding her friends. So she was, I'll change the color. So she was feeding her friends, the squirrel and the parrot. Dash was, she was scattering. Scattering means throwing, giving. Scattering grains for them. So look at the picture. So first picture, second picture, and grandmother, what she's doing. Her grandmother dash out the clothes. So her grandmother was hanging. Grandmother was hanging out the clothes to dry on cloths line. Grandmother was entering the house. Grandmother was entering the house when the strong wind began to blow. So the strong wind began to blow. Now grandmother is entering the house. So the next picture, let's see. When she returned with the cloths peg, she saw a wonderful scene. The sparrows and squirrels. What happened? The sparrows and squirrels. What happened? See, sitting. They are sitting. So they not one sparrows. It is more birds. So we should use were. Were sitting on the cloths to prevent them falling. Tarneeb dashed her hands, was clapping. Only one person, so was clapping with joy. Grandmother put the peg on the cloths and Trandeep sat down to bow water for her friends. Okay, now we are completing this sentence. So take a piece of paper with the help of matchstick or draw a black pencil, press hard on the paper. Draw a circle and a plus sign of the letter of the alphabet. Now close your eyes, turn the page over, run out your finger to raise the surface of the paper. You can make the shape or outline. Try this. Okay, they are just you asking to make a trace of the letter. You can do this, students, just to find out if we have another activity like Braille's alphabet. Okay, like tracing. There are some children with low vision, example wearing thick glasses, holding a book too close. Because being a classmate and friend, how do you assess them? For example, if any one of your classmate having wearing glass or a thick lens, how do you assess them? Do you help them? So you can help them. What you can do, you can just ask them whether you want me to read the book and tell you the stories, or if you need any help, you can ask them. Okay, or else you can ask them if you need any help, or if you want to make them seating arrangement, or making the classroom light little brighter, or you can also encourage them that you can able to do it. And if they want to write anything in their classwork notebook, you can also assess them. Okay, so that's all, students. This lesson is completed. This is self assessment page. You can do it. So students, if you want to join the tuition, you go ahead and message me over, or if you need only worksheet, you join the channel. I'll send you the worksheet for your exam practice. All right. Okay, students. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Take care.